Contour surveyors in Mehrauli play a crucial role in the design and development of various projects in Delhi. Mehrauli, a historical neighborhood in the southern part of Delhi, is known for its rich cultural heritage and ancient monuments. With the increasing urbanization and development in the area, it becomes essential to have accurate and detailed information about the land topography. This is where contour surveyors come into play. Contour surveyors in Mehrauli are professionals who specialize in conducting contour surveys, which involve mapping the elevation and slope of the land. These surveys are conducted using advanced surveying techniques and equipment to determine the shape and features of the land. The data collected by contour surveyors is then used to create contour maps, which are essential for various purposes like urban planning, construction, and land development. Scon Design Delhi recognizes the significance of contour surveying and collaborates with experienced professionals to create designs that harmonize with the natural landscape. By identifying changes in the land's topography, contour surveyors help architects and designers make informed decisions about construction and development projects. The process of contour surveying involves meticulously collecting data about the elevation and slope of the land. In Mehrauli, where historical sites coexist with modern developments, it is crucial for contour surveyors to accurately assess the terrain. By combining the expertise of contour surveyors with Scon design specialists, architects and designers can create spaces that seamlessly blend with the natural landscape while also paying homage to Mehrauli's cultural heritage. The collaboration between these professionals ensures that projects are not only visually appealing but also environmentally friendly and respectful of the neighborhood's historical significance. In conclusion, contour surveyors play a vital role in designing and planning projects in Mehrauli, Delhi. This is where contour surveyors come in. By conducting thorough surveys, they can identify the variations in elevation and slope of the land. By analyzing the topography of the area, contour surveyors can identify potential challenges and opportunities for development. For instance, they can advise on the best placement for a road to minimize earthwork and cut costs. They can also identify areas prone to flooding or erosion, helping developers make informed decisions about site preparation and drainage design. Arise during or after the construction process. In conclusion, contour surveyors in Mehrauli play a vital role in the urban development and construction industry. By employing their services, developers and architects can create sustainable and aesthetically pleasing structures that enhance the beauty of Mehrauli while also meeting all regulatory requirements.